Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of updates on Chatbot AI Nova. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search for Chatbot AI Nova. Not here, you will search for Nova app. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we click on storage. Then we click on clear cache. So that we go to Play Store. You will search for Chatbot AI Nova. And then you will update your app here. So that's it. Don't forget to press bell icon and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.